It's a lonely life. There's no doubt about that. But I have found a connection with reality through learning to comprehend the body language of everything. The synchronicity of the sounds, the movements of the trees. Of my feelings and interactions that come later in the day. Everything is such a wonderful language. It's made it really clear that all of this is happening for us to learn really important things on other levels of existence that are becoming undeniable. If I hadn't been alone for so long now, I don't know anyone. I don't know of anyone who is as isolated as I am. I don't know how to connect with people at all anymore. And it's not because there's something wrong with me. It's not because there's something wrong with them. It's because there's something wrong with society. It is totally reliant on us being in a state of envy, being in a state of competition. If that weren't true, nothing would get done, because people would be expressing themselves and connecting with reality and learning what it is that we're here to do. Seeing the beauty in everything. Seeing the messages in every moment that rolls past. But instead, we're constantly thinking about each other. We're constantly thinking about how we can one-up whoever it is the next day. We're holding on to grudges of the way we were treated yesterday, and we let it define who we are today. Everyone's living in the past, that they see people living in the moment, and it makes them feel sick. They cannot even comprehend it. Society told them that once they're 35, they're basically an autopilot. And so they accept that, just like they accept everything the man tells them, regardless of if their experiences contradict what they've been told. People don't trust themselves anymore. They won't experiment with things anymore because they can just do a Google search and a bunch of white men in white coats have figured it all out already. And it's not as if they have a conflict of interest of our knowledge or anything to have their abundance. Australia is such a beautiful country. And there is no one who has the courage that is actually connected with it, willing to give a glimpse of what it looks like. And it's hard. Nature here is so fragile, so sensitive to everything. It doesn't like when a camera's on. But everything's changing and everything's so fucked up that nature is just letting some things slide. And it is time that I work with that. And it's taken a long time for me to even consider sharing what it is that I've found. But some people will watch it and not even see it. You can look an alien in the eyes and not even see it. If you're not willing to acknowledge that having grounded opinions, concrete opinions, regardless of if society believes that that's how we should function, is actually really closed-minded. The only way you can evolve as an individual and ultimately make reality a better place in the process is if you are willing to accept that there are no facts. Society wants to keep you in a little box. And it is amazing how much power is derived just from keeping you in one place, insulated, in a routine. You completely lose touch with reality and start identifying with the things that society projects. And it can be really difficult to let all of that go. It can be really difficult to have respect for yourself, to have respect for this existence. Once you've let society dictate what you are.